let us solve two problems on continuity on the closed interval. So closed interval is nothing but AB, and in one of my videos I have explained you like what are the conditions for the function to be continuous in this closed interval AB. Okay, so if I consider this as A and B, just to solve these problems I am explaining you once again. Okay, that is like this is the interval AB, closed interval AB, so it should be continuous in the open interval AB. F of x should be continuous in this open interval, and at this point what happens, it should be continuous from right. That means f of x, that it should be equal to f of a, and at this point B it should be continuous from the left. So it is xb minus f of x, that is equal to f of b. So we will see this. Okay, so in this interval I will consider a point C, that is in 0 and between 0 1 I will consider a point C. Okay, so f of c will be equal to c square minus 1. See, this is a polynomial function, x square minus 1, so obviously that will be continuous. Okay, so limit x approaching c, f of x, that is equal to limit x approaching c, c square minus x square minus 1, that is equal to c square minus 1. So these are equal, right? So we can say this is continuous in this open interval 0 comma 1. Okay, now I will consider 0 comma 1. So at this point I said it should be continuous from the right. So at 0, okay, limit x approaching, okay, 0 plus, that is f of x is equal to x square, that is limit x square minus 1, x approaching 0 plus, this will be equal to minus 1. But what happens at the 0? F of 0 will be 0 minus 1, that is equal to your minus 1. So these both are equal, so this condition is right. Next, if I consider at point B, that is nothing but 1. Okay, at 1, f of 1 will be equal to 1 square minus 1, that is equal to 0. Next, if I consider this, okay, it should be continuous from the left, so it is 1 minus, then f of x is nothing but it is x square minus 1, so this is equal to 0. So these both are also equal. Okay, so it is right, this condition also is right. Next, we said at any point, that is in the open interval also it is continuous. So I can say this function f of x is continuous in this closed interval. Just okay, from my previous videos, but just by saying this x square minus 1, you can say this function is continuous everywhere because this is a polynomial function. Next, we will take this. Okay, f of x is equal to square root of 16 minus x square, and we have considered the closed interval minus 4 comma 4. So here it is minus 4 comma 4 is the interval. Closed interval is nothing but we are including these 2 points also. So we are having this formula to check at the extremes. Okay, or we are also calling it as start and end points or end points. Okay, so we will consider a point here, that is in the closed interval minus 4 to 4, that is to check the continuity of a function in the open interval minus 4 comma 4. Okay, so it is f of c is equal to square root of 16 minus c square. Okay, now limit x approaching c, that will be equal to f of x, that is 16 minus x square, that will become 16 minus c square. So these both are equal. That means the function f of x is continuous in this open interval minus 4 comma 4. Now we will check at the extremes minus 4. It should be continuous from the right? So limit x approaching minus 4 plus, then we will take the 16 minus x square. So obviously 4 minus 4 whole square, that will be 16. So 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Next, we will consider at minus 4. F of minus 4, substitute there. Okay, minus 4 whole square, that is also 0. Okay, this condition is right. Now we will check at the point B. At the point B, it should be continuous from the left. So limit x approaching 4 minus, then you have square root of 16 minus x square, that is square root of 16 minus 16, that is equal to 0. Then we will check f of b, that is nothing but f of 4. It is nothing but substituting 4 in this function 4 square, that is also equal to 0. So this is also right because 0 is equal to 0. Now all the three conditions are passing here, that is it is continuous in the open interval, it is continuous from the left at point B, it is continuous from the right at point A. So this function is also continuous in this closed interval minus 4 comma